Hi, I am Yogesh. I am studying in 9th standard in Amlapur, my secondary school. I have made a project called Knowing Our Independent India app to participate in a competition called Independence Day Project 2022. I have used a language called Android and Windows 10 is my OS. I have used MIT App Inventor to code this project. Let's go to the blogs page. This will be the opening screen when we open the Knowing Our India app. Let's go to the blogs page. This is the coding of the opening page. So there will be two buttons. That freedom fighters button and knowing our Indian flag button. So that freedom fighter button is known as button 2 and knowing our Indian flag button is known as button 3. So when we click that freedom fighter button, it will open a page called freedom fighters, and when that knowing our Indian flag button is clicked, it will open another screen called evolution of Indian flag screen. This is screen 1, which is the opening page of the screen. So when the opening page of the screen is opened, player 2 will be started. Player 2 is nothing but I have uploaded 3 songs. That is, the player 1 is Vande Mataram song, which is the national song of India, and player 2 is Jana Gana Mana song, which is the national anthem of India, and player 3 is Har Ghar Tiranga song. So when opening page is opened, that is the starting page, Jana Gana Mana song will be played, and then Vande Mataram song will be played, and then Har Ghar Tiranga song will be played. After Har Ghar Tiranga song, again from the first, Jana Gana Mana, Vande Mataram, Har Ghar Tiranga, and it will be repeated. Let's go to the freedom fighters page. This is the blog page of the freedom fighters page. As it is the coding. Nearly I have used 76 buttons and 76 activity starter. So I will explain this one by one. When button 1, that is V Subaya, it will be in our output video. So when button 1 is clicked, it will open a page in Wikipedia showing V Subaya. I have used activity starter and buttons. I have used the same coding here. When button 77, that is it will be back button. So back button is clicked, it will open the starting page of the app. I have used info image. So when we click this, it will open a page called info screen. This is the info of this freedom fighters app. Not only for this, it is also there for main page, that is the opening page. I have used info button here, as you can see. Now let's go to the last button of this page. It's the same as I have said. I have used info image button. So when we click this button, it will open a screen called info. This is the information of the evolution of Indian flag page. I will be explaining this in the output of this video. So let's go to the blogs page of this. This is the coding of the evolution of India flag screen. I have used only 2 buttons and 2 activity starters. there will be two buttons in this page. One is Google referencing and YouTube referencing. I will be explaining detailedly about this in the output of my project. As the same as I told before, when image 1, that is the info button, info image is clicked, it will open a screen named info 2, which is the information of this app, information of this screen. I have used the back button. When I click this back button, it will go to the opening page, that is the starting page of this app, that is the screen. Now let us go to the output part of my project. This is the output video of my project. This is the opening screen. Now this I will be showing the information screen. The information screen will be at the top right corner. This is the information screen of the opening page. There will be two buttons in this opening page. One is Freedom Fighters and Evolution of Indian Flag. The information will be explained by me now. Now let's go to the Freedom Fighters button. I have made the Freedom Fighters page into two. One is Freedom Fighters from UTs and another one is Freedom Fighters from states. I have mentioned the Freedom Fighters from various Indian UTs and states. Now for example, I am going to click B. Subaya, a freedom fighter from Puducherry. Before that, let me show the information page of this screen. As I have already told, information button will be at the top right corner. This is the information screen of the freedom fighters screen. I will be explaining this now. For example, I am going to click B. Subaya, a freedom fighter from Puducherry. When I click this button, it will be showing a page from Wikipedia about B. Subaya. Now let's exit this. I have made more than 70 buttons and 70 activity starters. Now let's go to the Evolution of India flag button. This is the opening screen of Evolution of Indian flag. As I have already told, there will be an info button at the top right corner of the project, of this screen. You can see the information of the Evolution of Indian flag screen. I will be explaining this detailedly. There will be two buttons in the screen. One is Google referring, which will be used for you if you want to see the evolution of Indian flag very briefly. And another one which is YouTube referring, which will be used for you if you want to see our evolution of Indian flag short and sweet. Now I want to see our Indian flag briefly. So what I have to do? I have to click Google referring button. These are buttons. As you can see, it will be opening a page from Wikipedia showing the title Flag of India. It will be having many divisions like design, symbolism, history. In our project, the main page of this Wikipedia screen is history. Our Indian flag has crossed many stages to attain our tricolor flag, that is the present day flag. I have mentioned freedom fighters button because of them freedom has been came to India. There are more than 17,000 freedom fighters in India. Now let's exit this page. Now let's go to YouTube referring button. This is a short video from YouTube showing the evolution of Indian flag. visit this page. This is the final button of my project. I hope you like my project. Thank you. Jai Hind.